Hey guys! Yeah guys! Yeah? And a great tropical on time, great fish push there so. Yeah man, so we have make a evening set, said him? Evening set? Yes man, that's all can kill na evening.
Oh, what? Konting.
Outside though, you know? Where's the engine? Yo! Look pa the camera. Look pa the camera sa ano. Yo! I-problem sa'yo man ha, RNC. Gusto na naman sa paglibot. One serious. Yeah, one speed, so we're outside. Eh? Watch it, si Rin panasi dong sa isit. Rin dong sa. Eh, Elsa, you know say that follow sa say, so we just come na. That follow. Oh, we're so rich pint man. Yes man, the peeps, so we are black. What? We are black, right so. Boy, are you that? Don't make a twist there. Stink? Let's go and jump it out man. I reach you finally, just untwist it. The mind thing the dry off here. Low water na dito. Because you can't swim to, you know. Prevention is better than cure. Watch out. Don't kill him na bush. Bush are revenging the one. Kaya man ang twist up net man. Kaya lang boblo biwasa ko sa ino. Is it? Great, kema. Wah, fish a jump over sa feed monet. Oh, lumayan na kahit sa madam night. Nag-file pa sa monet. Sino man flip over sa bush? Look over, grass side over sa. See, you see them? Jump over the water. Ready? Wow, feed for them. Custom cover ya feed for him. Sa suot kay di ko tao no. Go play pa na no. Ang tutulan. One peeps. Come on. Ay say kasi you're din na siya. Okay, so your wife din na ano. Dali, ato yung nabot. Fish on. We have to keep the boat balance. Push up, pick up and fish them. And we have to sit on there so on the bow, keep the boat balance. Uli pa fish kaya kipasa pa sa man. Fish on. Oh, balance the boat. Wala rin, ito ko na counting na yun one time. Sean, mind step back for him. Scammer, don't step back here. Shake it down. Shake it to me. Jaw is stiffer. Again. Alright. I eat that. Just use jar the net, man. Jar the net. Use net and jar. Use net and search. Sekarang wala tayo pa yan. Fring. Jalan na yung pa yan. Oh, fish on. Bream. Yeah, man, peeps. So fish on again. Fish on. Two body, no? Oh, you got on crab? Ah, nice bait bush. Puffing cloud him. Yeah, don't step back in now. Watch when I step back here. Peeps, so pop off the crab claw. We are using him for bait. We are set. We are left the net. Make it go on so looking worse. So we are pin a big oak to him and throw him off. See me? Him go on dangle in the water. You know? See him? I just pop off the two swimmer them. Them from the back of him. Fish. What's about it? Fish. Yeah. Fish on peeps. Woolly pa fish. Net alright so far. Help him pick off and scammer. Turn the boat out from in it. Peeps. Fish on. Woolly pa brim a kill, man. I bet say something more, a couple mullet pan it. I love mullet them. You know? Jump off her and them in. And gonna play a pan. Nah, jump off it. I'm so jump off. So my peeps, say, look at that beautiful sunset. You know? So go Thailand there. There, I want to get some brim. So far, I'll be a brim, guys. Foot full of man, more fish, eh? Okay, my peeps, so this is catch so far. My peeps, so watch out. So we're going. Yeah, man, so one snook and some barra. One nice barra there, so some brim. So brim and jack. We have some snapper bush catch with line, guys. I'll see like catch look more, you know. So we are making it go and stay. So cold, look more. So I'm just like catch one as a back away. It's a flip. Yeah, man. See fish are jumping net, eh? See fish are jumping net. Turn back. Buck up na turn back. Fish on? Two they catch bite? Eh? What's that? Was pito ata? Gone. I never jump off. Alright, come in now. I call the mullet. Come in, mullet. Come in, balance the boat. Don't turn over. Wind up and bite off. You can stay upon my crab catch right. You know, I make him stay upon my crab, then can get catch on it. Watching it here. Alright, babe, so we're almost finishing it. Showing the last catch him. Yeah, man. But it's almost, you can call it, so it's the first catch, you know, a good amount of fish. That is it, man. Where's the bush? Snook? Oh, the crab there that mga kailis snook. Peeps, the crab up there so. The name of the snook off I like no. Show them the catch. And show them where so. A nice snook. Alright, so we always get snook down so don't bush. Snook and tarpon. And the what name? The same mullet them. Yeah man, peeps. Eh? Yeah, right on the corner. The last kind of name Snook corner, you know? Same peeps? Snook. Let's come out with the calf crab. Nearly just catch him in time for you go take him off, you know? And they'll eat the snook, you know. Mash him up. Can't afford that, you know? Which part him catch? Inside or outside? Snook? Snook? Nice one. I them the feed, you know? So wait, why I can't go do this now? The boat no one turn? Oh. Them now jump off. Alright, nice snook my peeps. So my job now, I have to take out the fish them. Put it in aside, you see me? And hold light. No, we're not taking them up yet. I wait till you reach in take them up.
You know about focus with that, just shine light.
Alright. Kinda I hold them right after I'm going to salt water. Yeah, use it and turn the boat. Fish on. Watch it. I saw that thing there. One over on one side though. Okay. Eh? What up on the side of the boat I eat it? I eat it. Fish on brim. Take over the one, you know. And if I kind of look, I can catch good no. A shad? Eh? Nice fish. A shad.
Can shift back there so some more light now.
Wait, come down a little more. Alright. Four of them? Oh, shad.
Put the eagle right. I'll put it right there.
I'll put it right in front of me. Oh, it's heavy. We'll wash them right there, we'll go. I'll them tomorrow. Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna have to wash them. Oh, that's camera. Snapper. Throw it in this one. Yeah. Nice, a bigger one than that we have. Them are nice. I never know how them they are that bush. But why net twist? Use net and turn the boat. Fish on, fish on, fish on. Oh, that crab? Oh no. Grunt? Grunt. Yeah, nice grunt, silver grunt. Show him over, man, show him over. Eh? Don't show him back here, yes, come. Don't show him back here, show him in front of me. I'll try to show him there, but grunt the peeps. Alright. Come on, my peeps, watch out. Snapper? Yeah, man, peeps, so watch it. Just like catch at the night. See that? We have snook, we have What is bush? Tilapia. Out now, see him, catch him the peeps. Just stay there. We have barracuda, we have snapper, mutton snapper, we have jack, we have brim,
Nice.
we have knives. I tilapia that man, stop telling people that. Yeah man peeps. So look on the prize bull scammer catch. Yeah man, so here we are gonna do. Yeah, him scammer catch. So here we are gonna do peeps. We catch out some crab too, you know, see them still alive. So here we are gonna do, we are gonna weigh them, we are gonna take out one of them who scale already. Cause we are cooked up some food and now, cause we hungry, you know, you see me, and tropical hunter out there. Yeah, and the great fish bush, you know. I wash our fish them. So anyway peeps, enough yip yap, start boring out. So we outside, you see me? Yes man, my peeps.
Good man.
So we the fish them right now. We're going to the exact ready now. What, 21 pound? Oh god, 21 pound and 26 ounce. That is it man. Now we have some, so we know we're now we in the peeps. We kind of think we think that them one already, you know. Eh? Yeah, can call it 20 pound then. Cause we have them peeps. Them also I cook them, you know. So much fish I cook. Yes man, that is it. That is it my peeps.